This is beyond a simple remote control. This is a gateway. By connecting with various apps through IoT integration, CONEX offers next-generation solutions. The H&C Control App makes complex initial setup easy. Respond swiftly to clients' requests. Struggling with maintenance? The H&C Diagnosis App enables diagnosis from outdoors. And through CONEX, users can visualize the operation status and diagnose failures even from indoors. But that's not all. With Comfort Cloud, even while out, you can adjust the air quality of your home. And your shop. Anytime, any place, maintain air quality as you please. You can enhance your services using CONEX and Comfort Cloud. By freely connecting people and air quality, new forms of lifestyle and business will emerge. You don't need anything else. CONEX opens the door to a new world.
Panasonic.